Muraoneza, this is again your teacher Honore Rugwiro. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to learn English shopping lesson for beginners. Uyu munsi tugiye kurebera hamwe uburyo wakoresha icyongereza mu gihe uri gucuruza cyangwa mu gihe ugura, waba ugurisha. Niryo somo ryacu ry'uyu munsi. So, started. But before we dive deep into our today's lesson, mbere yuko twinjira neza mu isomo ryacu ry'uyu munsi, I promise you that at the end of the lesson you will be able to know these things. Ndagusezeranya yuko iri somo riri buze kurangira ushobora kumenya ibi bintu bikurikira. Uraba ushobora kuvuga neza amagambo ajyanye na shop, n'iduka, iguriro, supermarket, market. Biraterwa naho ukora cyangwa naho ugiye guhahira. Ikindi kandi uraba ushobora kuganira n'umucuruzi niba uri umuguzi, cyangwa nawe niba uri umucuruzi ushobora kuganira n'umukiriya wawe. Icy'ingenzi kurushaho noneho, video iraza kurangira ushobora gutanga amafaranga ndetse no kuba wamenya ibiciro. This is both for sellers and buyers. Ni ku bakiriya ndetse no ku bacuruzi. Twese turaza kuba dushobora kuvuga icyongereza no kugura ibintu dukoresheje this language of ours, ururimi rwacu rw'icyongereza. So now we don't need to delay. Ntabwo tugomba gukererwa. Abacuruzi ni abantu bakunda kugira vuba cyane. I don't know what about the buyers. Ntabwo nzi kuba clear, ariko for the sellers they are very courageous. Ndabizi ko abacuruzi baba bari very courageous, bafite imbaraga nyinshi cyane. That's why we are going to dive quickly deep into our today's lesson. So here are common vocabularies that are frequently used while shopping and buying. Hano hari amagambo y'ingenzi akunda gukoreshwa mu gihe abantu bari kugura cyangwa kugurisha. The first word is shop, store. Shop or store. Shop or store. Iduka. Shop, store cyangwa se iguriro. Irindi jambo ukeneye ni buyer, umuguzi. Buyer. Ukeneye kandi kumenya seller, umucuruzi, seller. Ukeneye kandi kumenya money. Amafaranga yo reka nya skipping. Let me jump. Amafaranga yo, everyone knows what money is. Because amafaranga arayazi. I promise you. We again need to know price. Igiciro. Price. Igiciro. Ikindi kintu cy'ingenzi dukeneye kumenya ni kuvuga niba ikintu gihenze cyangwa gihendutse. Uri umucuruzi ushaka guconvincinga, kwemeza umuguzi yuko ibintu byagomba kubigura kuko bidahenze. Cyangwa uri umuguzi ushaka kuvuga yuko ibintu bihenze wenda bashobora kugabanya. Which words can we use? Cheap. Ijambo cheap risobanura ko ikintu gihendutse. Cheap. Noneho cyaba gihenze tukavuga expensive. Kirahenze. Reka tubirebere mu rugero. Let us look at this by using an example. Reka tuvuge ko uri umucuruzi ucuruza amakanzu. Ugiye kubwira umukiriya yuko ikanzu ihendutse. Aramubwira ngo this dress is cheap. Ikanzu irahendutse. This dress is cheap. Cyangwa ukavuga ngo this dress is expensive. iyi kanzu irahenze. Kimwe ni ikinyuranyo cy'ikindi. One is the opposite of the other. Cheap, expensive. Now, let us continue. So, hano hari andi magambo akunda gukoreshwa cyane y'ingenzi buri muntu wese akwiye kumenya. Here are some other important words and phrases that everyone should know. How much is this? How much is this? Nangahe. Igiciro nangahe. How much is this? Iri ni ijambo buri muntu wese akeneye. Can I get a discount? Can I get a discount? Ese mwagabanya, nagabanyirizwa. Ugiye kugura ikintu ariko urabizi yuko mu Rwanda dukunda guciririkanya cyane. Uretse no mu Rwanda, even outside our country, abroad, bargaining is something that is practiced everywhere. Guciririkanya ni ibintu bikoreshwa ahantu hose. So, can I get a discount? Mwagabanyiriza mugabanye. Yeah? That is the meaning. Nicho bivuga. Ni irindi jambo dukeneye. Can I get a discount? Ikindi dukeneye kumenya, mu gihe turi kugura, ari igihe uri kwigera nk'imyenda, yeah, it happens. Cyangwa uri kugenda ureba utarahitamo icyo ugomba kugura, umucuruzi akaba akubaza, ese what are you doing out there? Uri gukora iki? Ntabwo uhita umubwira ngo I am just looking. Ndimo gusa kureba, ndi kureba. Ushobora kuba uri kwigera, ushobora kuba utaramenya icyo ugomba guhitamo. I am just looking. I am just looking. Irindi jambo, I want to buy this. I want to buy this. Nshaka kugura iki. This. I want to buy this. Icyo ngicyo ushaka kugura. I want to buy this. I want to buy this. So, iryo naryo ni ijambo cyangwa phrase ikunda gukoreshwa cyane. Nta n'umuntu utayikoresha mu gihe turi kugura. Now, the next lesson is going to be so strategic. So muri kurikiyeho noneho rirashimishije cyane, kandi this is the most important. Let's imagine that we are in a shop or a market or a supermarket. Kadutekereze ko turi mu iduka, mu isoko cyangwa muri supermarché. Urugero rw'umucuruzi, murabizi iyo umucuruzi akubonye, these days people are having customer care. Abantu bafite gufata neza abakiriya. Umucuruzi arakubonye, arakubwiye, welcome, what are you looking for? Welcome, what are you looking for? Urakaza neza, murashaka iki? Umuguzi nawe akamusubiza, I am looking for shoes. How much are these? Ndi gushaka inkweto. Izi zigura gute? I am looking for shoes. How much are these? Nawe ukamusubiza, if you are a seller. Mwibuke twabonye a seller. Ni uri umucuruzi. Ukamubwira ngo they are 35 Rwandan francs. They are 35,000 Rwandan francs. Ziragura amafaranga ibihumbi 35. Umuguzi, can I get a discount? Ntago wagabanya. Probably you have 20,000. Wenda ufite 20,000 cyangwa nibyo ubona inkweto zikwiye. Can I get a discount? Mwagabanya. Yes, you see, the discussion is taking place. Urabona ko abantu barimo baraganira. Then the seller says, yes, please, I can. Ego, nagabanye. Okay, please. The buyer says, okay, please. Umuguzi nawe avuga, yego, nta kibazo. Now, you see that the discussion is taking place. Abyumvise ko ikiganiro cyamaze kubaho. So, reka tureke kwiga byinshi cyane mu gihe gitoya. Nundi ndacyahari on this YouTube channel of viewers. Muze kumbwira ikindi kintu mushaka ko twakiga mu isomo rikurikiyeho. Muze kumbwira in comment section, muri comment ikindi kintu mwumva cy'ingenzi twakiga mu Cyongereza. So, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Taza kwibagirwa gukunda ino video, kuyisangiza abagenzi bawe ndetse no gukora subscribe. And again, before leaving, mbere yo kugenda, abantu bashaka kwiga online, bashaka kwigira mu buryo bw'iyakure, dufite uburyo bwa Google Meet. Dushobora kukwigisha ku ikoranabuhanga dukoresheje Google Meet cyangwa tugakoresha Zoom. These are two possible alternatives. Ubu ni bwo buryo dukoresha twigana n'abantu bibereye iwabo, natwe turi hano, ariko tukigana turebana. So we can teach you for a certain period until your English grows to a certain level. Dushobora kwigana kugeza Icyongereza cyawe kigeze ku rwego runaka. So until next time, stay curious, keep learning. Tuzongere duhure ubutaha. See you. Bye.